In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with the TeleCloud PRO mobile app. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type TeleCloud PRO. Look for the app with the official TeleCloud PRO name and logo, not the regular TeleCloud app. Select the Pro app, then press Get to download. Once the app has finished downloading, open it. You'll be taken to the login screen. Log in using the same credentials you use for the TeleCloud web portal. Enter your username and password, then tap Sign In. If you forgot your username or password, you can reset them through the desktop portal. The first time you sign in, the app will ask for a few permissions. These are important to make sure everything works correctly. It will start by asking about notifications. Allowing this makes sure you get alerts for calls and messages. Next, the app will ask for access to your contacts. Some people hesitate here, but it's actually very helpful. By allowing contact access, the app can show you who's calling and make it easy to place calls without typing in the number every time. After pressing Continue, you may be prompted to select certain contacts or share all contacts. TeleCloud will not share or keep any of your contacts' information, but if you would like to individually select your business contacts, feel free to do so. Once permissions are set, you'll see the app's main dial pad. At the top left, you'll also see your extension number and name. Tap this area to view your account details or to enable Do Not Disturb. You are now ready to start making and receiving calls with TeleCloud PRO. To make a call, simply dial from the keypad. To receive a call, just answer when it rings. When you make or receive your first call, the app will ask for microphone access. Be sure to allow it. This permission is required so you can hear and be heard during calls. In the menu at the bottom of your screen, you'll see options for SMS texting, quick dial, contact records, call history, and the Pro menu, where you can park calls, view voicemails, and edit your user settings, which we will cover in the following videos. That's it, you're all set up and ready to use TeleCloud PRO.